How to enable or disable FN function keys on laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your function keys are performing special actions like volume or brightness controls instead of their standard functions, you can enable or disable the FN key behavior using one of the methods below. So many laptops have an FN lock feature, so locate the FN key on your keyboard, then look for a key with a padlock icon and FN symbol, which is often escape. So press FN and escape together, then test a function key like F5 or F11. And if FN lock is enabled, press F1 to F12, which performs the standard function key actions. And you must hold FN to use brightness, volume, and other special functions. Now, what you could also do is change the settings in BIOS. So shut down your computer and then turn it on and immediately press the BIOS key, which is going to be either F2, F10, delete, or escape. Then enter the BIOS or UEFI settings and look for one of the following options: function key behavior, action keys mode, hotkey mode, or FN key lock, and then change the setting for function keys first, so standard F1 to F12 behavior, and then multimedia keys first is brightness, volume, and media controls by default. Then just save changes and exit using F10.